Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with Miss N. Today we're going to do another video experiment in terms of probability, and this time we're going to be using a regular six-sided dice. Okay, so what we're going to do is very similar to our coin toss experiment, but this time we're only going to roll the dice 96 times. And the reason that I do that is because we have 6 different outcomes on a dice. So you can get a 1, you can get a 2, you can get a 3, a 4, a 5 or a 6. Now, if I did 100 times, the number 6 doesn't go in very evenly to 100. So I wanted to choose a number that goes in nice and evenly. So 96 is that number. So what your job is to do is find out how many do you think of each number we should roll. So because it's a regular 6-sided dice, there's nothing wrong with it. What's going to happen is each of our results should be equally likely. And when we roll a dice, and what I'm going to do is again do it online, it should be an equally likely outcome for us each time. So I want you to make sure that your dice is definitely regular, definitely 6-sided, and make sure you can read all the numbers really, really well. You're also going to need something to record your results with and make sure that you're counting as you go and making sure you're not going past the 96. Okay, we're going to use tallies again, and I'll talk to you about why tallies are important as well as we go in the video. So I hope you enjoy this experiment, and I'll see you guys at the end. As you can see, as I get further along with rolling the dice, it's really important that I'm using tallies because it makes it easier for me to count. I'm going to be honest, I completely forgot to keep counting as I was rolling the dice, especially because 96 times is a lot of time to keep track of. So what I need to do is use tallies so that I can count by 5s to really check that I'm staying on track. It also makes it look a lot neater as well. I'm nearly there, just a couple of more rolls to go. So as you can see, I just finished my experiment on rolling the dice. And if you had a look earlier, I asked you to find out what the expected number of each roll was. So if you worked it out, you would have found out that you were supposed to get 16 for each number. So I should have gotten 16 1s, 16 2s, etc. all the way up to 16 6s. Now, as you can see, some of my numbers are very close. In fact, number 5, I got exactly 16 rolls, but there's a few that are a bit higher and a few that are a bit lower, but that's what is expected because this is a game of chance, okay? We're not going to get 16 every single time, and you guys need to understand why that works like that. So what I'd like you to do is to keep on thinking of those ideas of why we might not get 16 every single time. Why is it like that? And again, if I rolled the dice more than 96 times, but that took me forever, if I rolled the dice 1,000,000 times, I would hope that I'd get closer to my expected number of 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s and 6s. Hope you enjoyed doing that experiment. I've got some more coming up later, and I hope you enjoy learning from home.